Hello! Welcome back to Kulturschöpfer YouTube channel and welcome to Creative Sessions for Kids and Adults. In today's session, we are going to get inspired for the artwork or thanks to Yayoi Kusama, that she do many artwork with points and doing circles, and that's what we're going to do, but instead of doing it in a wall or in a superstructure, we're going to use some cups, like porcelain cups and permanents or marquees for porcelain to create this beautiful kind of cup. There are also different ones. You can just paint anything that you want. So, are you ready for this creative session? Let's do it. This creative session, we don't need to use a big tablecloth like in the other sessions. Don't misunderstand me. If you want to use it because you feel safer using something to protect your working area, do it. Of course, feel free to do it. But I'm just going to use like a white paper sheet because I think it's going to work perfectly. What more do we need for this creative session? We need some porcelain marquees like these ones in different colors. But if you just want to use one, you can also just use one. I think it's more fun always to work with different colors. You can find also like this in some sets. Where can you find them? You can find them in your closest arts and craft supply store, or you can buy them online, like for example in Amazon. Yeah. What more do we need? We need some white porcelain cups like these ones. Or if you don't want to do a cup, you can also do a dish, or you can do a bowl. It's totally up to you. What do you want to do? Because in the end, it's your inner artist, the one who needs to explore. So yes, that's everything that we are going to do. And for sure we will need an oven because you need, please, always to follow the instructions that you will find with your marquees. And in the end, when we finish the creative session, we will need to put the cups or the dishes or the bowl, whatever you choose, to put it in the oven for a little bit. So yeah, are you ready? Let's do it. First step, put your favorite playlist and enjoy the process. Second step, very easy. Just grab your porcelain object, in this case, in my case, it's a cup, and get your marquees, your porcelain marquees, and decide what color do you want to use or colors, because in this creative session we are going to get inspired with and thanks to the work of Yayoi Kusama. And that creative session, I think it could remind us a little bit of Seurat's creative session because it's about pointillism, but this pointillism is a little bit more crazy, more bold, because it's not about creating a big image out of points, it's about points. It's just about enjoying and doing little points, big points, medium points, it doesn't matter, it's just about doing circles and enjoying the chaos of doing circles in a white cup like we are going to do. And I was thinking, what colors can I use? And I think in this one I'm just going to go with these three. I'm going to go with the purple, dark blue and light blue, and maybe in the small one or in the other one I'm going to be really bold. You know, I'm feeling like this today, and I'm going to try to do like big rainbow, so I will use all the colors. So yeah, let's do it, right? Now is the next stop. Yes, stop of the bus. Stop wars. What am I saying? Now is the next step. That's the correct one, Anna. And we are just going to choose the colors that we want to use. And as I told you, I think I will go for these three. And I will do, I think first like big circles and then small ones. I don't know, something bold, I guess. And yeah, so let's do it. Shake it. That's important. And then go down. And then let's start with the circles. Or not. Maybe you try them, Anna. No, I did not. Okay. For this reason, you need to protect your working area, you see? Good that I had the paper there. Alright. Okay, we have a fly in the room. and it's annoying me a little bit. Summer and the flies. Are you annoyed by flies like me? Because really they annoy me so much. So as you see, I'm just doing points, and I will do that for, I think, quite a long time now. But I think I need to shake them a little bit more because I didn't use them for quite a long time. And I need to push right, Anna. So yeah. Okay, now we are talking. Now it's working. Yeah, it was definitely really dry before. For this reason was not working well. So as you can see now it's much better. Or maybe not. Why do I say things and then doesn't happen? There is a bubble in my glass. So, okay, I think this will be a very boring video about me doing circles. It would be more funny if I could put right now music, but if I do that, then it will be the copyright. Because every time that I paint or I do some activity that I don't need to film, like right now, I always put my favorite playlist. And I enjoy it much more, the process. You see the flies here? God. In the end, I changed to the other one because it was easier for me to use that one now. And I needed to have a talk with the fly before I could continue. We had a very interesting talk. So this is a quick update of how it's going on. As you see, it's just about doing circles, tiny points, tiny points. And yeah, changing colors, getting the colors that you like, and getting inspired by doing points. I think it's kind of therapeutic, you know. I think now I understand why she likes to do that, or actually why she is like such an artist, just about doing points. Because you are all the time focusing on doing like circles and to do them right. Well, actually, it's what I'm doing. Like I'm really focusing on doing this right. But yeah, I hope that you enjoy this creative session and that you also get some nice ideas out of this video to maybe, I don't know, renovate all of your dishes at home. And if you still live with your parents, maybe your mom will kill you, but you know, why not? I think it's worth the risk. You can always say that it was my fault. So yeah, I mean, now somehow I wish I could have like a white and plain, boring, white full dish set so I could paint it like this, because look at that. Don't tell me that this doesn't look cool. Imagine a full set like this. Wow. I mean, it would take me hours, but why not? Maybe it's a new project coming up and I will do that. Who knows? Well, as you can see, I finished mine. Here's the result. I think it looks pretty nice. And I write here inspire. I know that you cannot see it. And then I did this other one like fire colors because I don't know, I was in the mood. And I put here create. And what do you need to do? Engage and do it yourself. So what we need to do right now, which one is the next step? The next step is just let them dry for 15 minutes. Once the 15 minutes are gone, we need to put them in the oven. How? So we need to preheat our oven around, let's say 180 degrees, well maybe 160. And when it's a little bit warm, the oven, we will leave the cups at 160 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. And then When it's done, just put it out, let them be. Please cover your hands, okay? I don't want you to get burned. So yeah, let's do it. And yeah, done! Congratulations! You have finished one more creative sessions for kids and adults. I hope that you really enjoyed this one. I know that it was very simple and easy, but I think it's also good sometimes to have some creative sessions that they are more easygoing than other ones. So yeah, if you like it, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and be ready for the next creative sessions for kids and adults. Bye bye!